Choosing the right font in Microsoft Word can make a huge difference in how your documents look and how readable they are. In this video, we'll go through some of the best fonts to use in Word, whether you're creating professional reports, resumes, or digital content. Let's start with Aptos, Microsoft's new default font. Aptos is clean, modern, and very easy to read, making it perfect for both headings and body text. If you're used to the old default, Calibri is still a solid choice. Its rounded corners make it friendly and approachable, which is great for business letters or casual reports. Arial is another classic. It's neutral, professional, and works well in almost any type of document, from presentations to memos. For documents that require a more traditional or formal look, serif fonts like Times New Roman, Cambria, and Garamond are excellent. Times New Roman is widely used in academic papers and official documents, giving your work a classic, authoritative feel. Cambria is designed for on-screen clarity, which makes it perfect for reports or documents you'll share digitally. Garamond, on the other hand, has an elegant, timeless style, making it ideal for long-form reports, books, or newsletters. Another great serif option for readability is Georgia, which is optimized for screens while maintaining a professional look. If your document will be read mainly on screens, sans serif fonts like Verdana and Corbel are excellent choices. Verdana has wide spacing, which makes it very easy on the eyes, even at small sizes, while Corbel is sleek, modern, and maintains readability in any part of your document. Finally, for technical or coding documents, Consolas is a monospaced font that keeps everything neatly aligned, which is perfect for tables or scripts. The key tip when choosing fonts is to balance readability with style. Use no more than 2 or 3 fonts per document, and match your font choice to the tone of your content. Whether you're writing a professional report, a resume, or an engaging newsletter, selecting the right font can make your document look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment letting us know which fonts you like to use in your documents.